Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a Arduino based pH level monitoring system. So with the help of this you can check pH of any soil. So for making this project you need to require some component like Arduino Nano, OLED display, SoilpH sensor, RS485 module and printed PCB. And this is the circuit connection. We have printed our PCB as per the circuit connection. By doing this, our project will become more compact and mount all the components in PCB. Now screw pH sensor. Blue wire is connected to B terminal and yellow wire is connected to A terminal of RS485 module. And this is sensor supply wire. Red wire is 12 volt positive wire and black wire is ground. After assembling all components, now the project is look like this. So before testing, I have to upload program in our kit. So open Arduino IDE. This is program of our project. I will give you link in description. You can download from there. Select tools, board Arduino Nano, port and upload it. If you want to buy component regarding this project, you can contact from us. Code is uploaded successfully. Now time to test the hardware. So connect 12 volt power supply from adapter. You can use battery also. You can see the pH level in OLED display. Now I remove foam and insert pH sensor in soil. When I insert sensor in soil, you can see the value is changed in OLED display. Value is goes down, it means soil is acidic in nature. After removing sensor from soil, you can see the pH level in OLED screen. You can see that without placing the sensor in soil, the pH value is showing higher. This is nothing, it's a voltage issue. If you are using 9 volt battery instead of 12 volt, it will give the proper result. So now I again repeat the same process. That's all for today's, and thanks for watching.